everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you this cute dinosaur toy that was sent to me from Kid Antics. The DIY dino comes with a screwdriver that can be used to take apart and rebuild the dinosaur. There are 6 dinosaurs to collect, and this one is a Brachiosaurus. The dinosaur has movable joints so you can pose it in different ways. It's simple to build and all the pieces fit nicely together. The toy encourages young builders' problem-solving skills and imaginative play. Overall, it's a fun construction toy, ideal for little ones who love dinosaurs and building things. So that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's unboxing, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!